Francis Mwanzia.
I, Francis Mwanzia Nyenze, having been elected member of National Assembly, do swear in the name of Almighty God that I will bear the true faith and allegiance to the people of the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, uphold, preserve, and protect and defend this Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge the duties of Member of Parliament. So help me God. Thank you.
CTNA Janet Jepkemboi.